Libra and Aries compatibility. Libra and Aries nature and nuances. A fiery soul comes in contact with a fair soul and they build a romantic equation together. Can Libra and Aries balance it out for the long run? Find out Libra and Aries compatibility factors below. Libra and Aries personality traits. Libra is the balancer of the zodiac. It stands 7th on the zodiac chart and probably is amongst the most easy-to-like signs in astrology. These individuals love to make people happy and are thus one of the most relaxed and even-tempered signs of the zodiac. They know how to access a situation from both sides and thus, quite fittingly, have the balancing beam as a symbol of their zodiac sign. Aries is a strong, confident, energetic, and lively fire sign. It marks the beginning of the zodiac charts and thus, is a representation of enthusiasm and extemporaneity. The ram is the symbol of Aries and represents its powerful, unyielding, and hardworking nature. They have inherent leadership qualities in their personality and can win people over with their self-assured charm. Libra and Aries love compatibility. When an air sign comes together with a fire sign, their union is always exciting, passionate, and high on intensity. It can either lead to the wind fanning the flames leading to mutual growth. Or it can cause the destruction of both these elements due to their pursuit of asserting power on each other. Such is the love match between the Libra man and Aries woman, and in the union of an Aries man and a Libra woman as well. When they are amicable and loving with each other, they can grow from one level to the next and build an enviable relationship together. However, if they look to force change in each other, they will end up destroying their bond, which in fact, has the potential to go all the way. Pros and cons of Libra and Aries compatibility. Pros of the Libra and Aries relationship. The Libra's need for harmony and balance will be embraced by the Arian at all times. At the same time, the vivacity of the latter will make Libra feel relaxed, happy, and content on all occasions. Once both zodiac signs are committed to the relationship, they will do everything in their power to strengthen it. Both do not like ending things and will not give up on their bond easily, if they have decided to make it work with each other. Libra's balanced outlook on everything in life will help the Arian choose wisely and will thus curb the recklessness that is stemmed deep into the ram's personality. Aries, with its seamless self-assurance and positivity, will help truncate Libra's indecisiveness from time to time. This is an equation where two opposites will come together to help each other grow through every stride that they take with each other. Cons of the Libra and Aries relationship. Both Libra and Aries are cardinal signs. This means they are great at starting projects and will give their all to an idea in the initial stages of its execution. However, their enthusiasm tends to fizzle out over time. Hence, this pair can begin great things together might not always have the fortitude to lay them out with each other. This might lead to the development of common frustration and pessimism between Aries and Libra. Libra's inconclusiveness tends to annoy the ram from time to time, as the latter is an intuitive decision-maker and likes to move fast in life. On the other hand, the constant lack of introspection in the Arian will not go well with the calculative and cautious Libra. Conclusion. The Libra-Aries compatibility can work if both the parties learn how to embrace their mutual differences. Both can be adjusting when they decide to be, and that is one of the major advantages of their relationship. If they manage build mutual understanding in their equation, they would have cultivated a blissful bond with each other, once that will only flourish with the test of time.